welcome back to my channel. If you haven't been here before, my name is Desiree. Today I'm going to go ahead and be doing an unboxing of this BEAUTYLISH package that I received today, June 22nd. So let's go ahead and get this opened. Bum, bum, bum. First, take a look at this. It's Jeffree Star. I just got his new collection. If you haven't ordered from BEAUTYLISH before, it comes in a really nice packaging. I do the payment plan. It is really nice. Okay, so first off is going to be this. It comes nicely sealed. Taking off this bow. I'm so excited. Don't move it. Don't move the camera. Don't touch it. I'm not going to go ahead and open it up yet because I want to open up what else is inside. There is this black little bag. Oh, they gave me an It Confidence in a Cream, I can't see it, product for free. If you can't see it, I'm sorry. In this little black bag. Next, what I received. Jeffree Star in Pink Lemonade. So I got all 8 shades of his new Thirsty collection. I'm not going to go ahead and swatch them for you because
is that it?
Let me just open up the palette to make sure that it is okay. What? Sit down.
Because I want to open it with you. Sonia. Can we do that today, or we can use your old palettes? Okay, so you guys can see they have like little stars. That's so beautiful.
I will be doing a makeup video using his new palette.
What is that?
Maybe applying some of his new lipsticks.
Well,
I will go ahead and try one lipstick on today.
Okay.
Let's see what I'm going to go ahead and try 818 today. I'm going to apply that on my lips.
Mommy, I'm showing you.
Thirsty Trap.
I want to pick one for you. I mean to zoom out a little bit.
shake well. I didn't shake well.
There, I zoomed in a little bit.
So this was a lip color I went ahead and tried. It is called, again, like I said, Thirst Trap.
Do you want me to zoom in? Yes?
No, zoom out.
Zoom out. There. Okay, that out?
Okay guys, so that was all I wanted to go ahead and do, is just an unboxing of the Jeffree Star collection. Like I said, I ordered all his 8 shades with the palette. I also went ahead and got one lip scrub, which was Pink Lemonade. I will be doing another video of me applying using the palette along with swatching these lip colors. But yeah, if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you would like to be notified in the future. Also, don't forget to hit the post notification bell. But yeah. Also, go ahead and leave a comment down below what eye color you would like to see from this palette. If you would like to see maybe a pink color,
Would you like to
maybe
see
a
patched?
purple blue, go ahead and let me know.
Mom, taste boobs.
But yes, thank you guys so much for watching. See you soon. Bye.